Hello foxes, and welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome. My name is Brittany. I am also known as SHOPFOXBURROW on sites like Instagram and Poshmark and Etsy and all of those fun websites. But today I'm actually here to bring you another Stitch Fix unboxing. So I have been getting Stitch Fixes for I think 2 years now, maybe a little bit longer than that, and I want to say this is stitch number 28. So it's a nice little sized box, and today I'm going to open it and then I'm going to try on the items for you. And I do have some Stitch Fix credit because someone signed up, so thank you so much. So if I like anything, I have a little bit of credit to spend. So I'm just going to dive right into this box. So if you have not gotten a Stitch Fix before, it is a styling service where you go and you fill out an online profile, and then they send you 5 items to try on at home, and if you like any of them, you can keep them. There is a styling fee, and it goes towards anything in your box that you decide that you would like to keep. And if you sign up with the referral code down in my comments or my description, it will give you enough money to waive that whole fee. So if there's nothing from your box that you like, you don't have to be out any money. But let's go ahead and take a look at what I got. I'm actually kind of excited because I did request some plaids, and you can see I got a plaid in here, so I'm excited to see that. And I don't remember what else I requested. I know I had a couple of different requests. I think light wash jeans was one of them, without any distressing, and if I had another request, I don't remember what it was. But let's go ahead and just see what they sent. Alright, this burrito is trying to fall apart, so I'm just not even going to try and pick it up. I'll just pull out the pieces to show you. Okay, so here is what we got, and I'm actually pretty excited. I like some things that I see, so let's go ahead and start with this. This is by Design History. This is a ribbed, oh that's cute, that's a ribbed top with these like little ruffle sleeves, which I really like this because I'm really digging ribbed tops right now. I feel like they're very flattering for people who are a little chestier, which I am, and yeah, and they're coming back, so not hating it. And then this has got, it's a little hard to see, but it's got some just like detail work that kind of has like this slimming effect. Yeah, so I'm very excited to try this on. If you have not watched one of my Stitch Fix unboxings before, I go through and pull out the item, and then I show you what it looks like on, and then we move on to the next item. So let's take a look and see what this one looks like. Next up, this is so soft. Purple is my favorite color. I'm not huge on pastels, but you know, I mean, I kind of like this color. Yeah, so it's just like a faintly tie-dyed, kind of comfort top. I guess this is the type of thing that I would wear around my house. Almost like a sweatshirt, and then it has like a little tie detail in the front. So yeah, that's pretty cute. Definitely more casual than I ever would have done in previous years, but this is a new world we live in, so you know what? I wear a lot of loungewear now. Next up, a Fortune and Ivy top. Love this color. Let's see. It is kind of a relatively basic top. It's got like a little 3-button detail here in the front, and then the sleeve cuffs have elastic. I actually just bought a similar top from ModCloth in my last ModCloth haul, so I'm not sure about this one. I do like it. Obviously I bought a similar one, but I don't think I need two of like more or less the same thing. So let's go ahead and take a look at what this looks like on. Here's the plaid thing. I'm excited. I remembered as I pulled this out that I asked for plaid pants, and she did not disappoint. I love the colors on this. It is a crop, which is nice because I am very short. And it's got, oh no, are the pockets fake? Oh, they're real. Okay, they're just stitched down. This is a Fia straight pull-on trouser in a size 12. So these are like just a stretchy, almost like a jegging type of pants. Yes, I like these. Yeah. I'm excited to try those on. Okay, and last thing, we have a cut from the cloth, sort of, I don't know if I feel like these are like a mid-rise. It says they're an ankle skinny, and I would call these a medium wash and not a light wash. I feel like a light wash is more like this color, and this is all a medium wash, but they have this like shark bite ankle down here. And these are also a size 12. These are the Diana Skinny Scissor Cut Step Hem Jeans. Yeah. Those are cute. I don't think they're quite what I was looking for, but I'm going to try them on and we will see what they look like. So I usually don't read the note from my stylist on camera, but I am actually going to read this one because I feel like she did a good job and I want to see what she has to say. It says, "Hi Brittany, happy fix day again. I hope this fix finds you well and you're enjoying the new year. Thank you for your request for this fix for the plaid pants. Try these from Tribal in a straight pull-on style. Do you like the colors?" Yes, I love the colors. To pair with these, I added the black pullover by Artisan with the cute ruffled bell sleeve. That would be cute. I'll try those on together. For lighter denim, how about these skinny jeans from Cut from the Cloth with a trendy scissor cut hem? Are these light enough? Not quite. Pair these with the light purple tie-dye knit top from Kaylee with a side tie to create the fitted style you prefer. And lastly, I added a dark green jewel tone for you from Fortune and Ivy. I believe I also told her that I like jewel tones. Let me know what you think of these styles and fits. Want to try some of our popular activewear styles in your next fix? Let me know. I look forward to hearing back from you. Enjoy your fix, Christina. So I thought she did a really good job with this fix, just like trying to find the things that I had requested, and I really like the colors on those pants, so I hope that they fit. Alright, so let's take a look. The black ruffle sleeve pullover in a size large is $58. The Fortune and Ivy green mixed material top in a size large is $42. The tribal pull-on trousers are $58. The Kaylee side tie knit top was $40. And the cut from the cloth skinny jeans were $88. If you get everything with the buy all discount, it takes off $71.50, and then it makes it $214.50. So I thought that was great. I mean, she stayed in my budget. She sent things that I requested, and she sent things that I think are more or less my style. So I am really happy with this fix, and I think I'm gonna have a really hard time deciding what to keep. But I will come back and let you know what I ended up deciding to keep from this fix, or if I kept all of it. I don't know. Let's see. So if you like these Stitch Fix videos and the Stitch Fix unboxings, please do make sure to hit subscribe. I do have a lot of other content on my channel that is fashion related, and then I do some selling content too, so if you like to sell on Poshmark, or you just want to like clean out your closet, you can get some tips from me. And I have a lot of vintage clothing videos as well. So I hope that you will stick around, and if you are only interested in the Stitch Fix stuff, I do get a Stitch Fix every month, so you can keep an eye out for those videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have a lovely day.